Ma,
Yeah.
can you tell me about the time when, about the mashed potatoes? What happened with those?
Mashed potatoes? Oh, yes, yes. You were eating at Virginia's house and she was putting food on your plate and you said, "Give me yachts. Don't you know I yike 'em?"
What about that other thing you thought of today with Karen?
And when was Karen?
Yeah.
I had told you uh, not to hurt her. She was just a little girl. She wasn't a year old yet, so you weren't 3 years old yet either. So I had said, don't hurt her. She's just a little girl. And so when you heard her crying, you came running into the house. You said, don't hurt her. She's just a widow girl. Oh, dear.
Oh, those are good stories. And tell me about my shopping trip today. How did I do? Did I get an A or a B?
Oh, I don't even want to think about that. I can't see it, so I won't worry about it. $65 worth of food at one time. Wow.
Yeah, but it's all supplies, and we'll be able to cook for years to come.
Well, I hope I live to eat it.